Today in our phonics lesson, we learned about how we might change the spelling of a multisyllable word when we add ing to it. So talking about the present participle, which means it's happening right now when we add ing to a base word. You're going to sort the words on the next slide, and you are going to determine if you have to make a spelling change when you add ing, if you drop the silent E, or if you double the final consonant. So let's say that I thought compare wouldn't have a spelling change. Then I would sort it, and I would keep sorting all the words below, and then I would add ing. And I can resize the text box if I need to. Now, when I look at the spelling, when I add ing, I might decide that it should actually be sorted somewhere else. So adding the ing to it will help you determine if you sorted it in the right location. So you're going to do two things. You'll sort all of the base words first, and then I want you to go back and add ing by tapping into the text box and adding it to the base word. And if you saw what I saw when I added ing to compare, comparing didn't look like it was spelled right, so I should probably find another place to sort it and try to spell it correctly again. And then you'll take a screenshot and upload it the way your teacher wants you to. So please make sure you're taking your time and making corrections if you need to.